is going on? You know, this is AlTone, and welcome to another absolutely fantastic day. Today I'm actually going to be replacing our kitchen faucet. This Crea stainless steel faucet was actually sent to me for a honest review, and so I'm giving you my full and honest review, as well as I'm going to do an installation of it, and then I'll follow up and just let you know how easy the installation was. From everything I've seen that this faucet comes with in the box, it is just as good. Now this is a Delta. This particular faucet is a Delta with, of course, the pull down sprayer, and this faucet is also a like a bar faucet with a pull down sprayer. Let's get into the build. As I take this one out and put the new one in, I'm just going to do a complete a full time lapse through the entire thing, and then I'll come back and just kind of share with you what my thoughts are as far as the installation. I don't expect for it to be anything major. I think it's going to be pretty much straight through. It does come with a nice little diagram, one sheet diagram showing you basically how to do the installation and all that, which again, I don't expect for me to need much more than this. I think it's going to be very easy. So with that, I'm going to get ready, get up underneath the sink, start taking this old faucet out and get the new one in. So now we have the new faucet installed. This is again a Crea stainless steel faucet. It looks really good. I think the quality of this is actually better than a Delta that I actually took out, which was more expensive. The hoses are braided and they're color coded, so you know which one is the hot, which one is the cold. But the water pressure coming through this thing is just ridiculous. It is really good. And hot on this side and then cold in the center. So if you want hot water, you go down and then turn it on. Cold water straight up and down, and you turn it on. The installation went pretty well. The only thing I will continue to suggest that you always do, make sure you have everything for your installation when you get ready to start. Make sure you have the tools that you need. Make sure you have some Teflon tape available. I spent about an hour. It took me about from start to finish, it took me about an hour and a half, but it only took that long because I spent about 30 minutes trying to find my Teflon tape. I had forgotten to pull that out. So I would say, about, if you know what you're doing, actually even if you don't know what you're doing, one of the older faucets, that Delta faucet, came out very easily. They install very easily and they come out very easily. And then just dropping this one in there and putting it in place. The other thing was, I had a little ring here from where the other one was that I had to clean that up. That took about 15 minutes of elbow grease to clean that up on the top. Still needs a little bit of cleaning, but for right now you really can't notice that. You don't see it. And then I dropped this bad boy in the actual installation portion of this faucet itself. After cleaning everything up, just putting the faucet in took me a total of about 15 minutes. About 15 minutes just doing the faucet itself. The entire process, maybe 45 minutes, and that would be making sure I had all my tools available, making sure that you have your Teflon tape available, and then cleaning out underneath the cabinet so that you can get to everything, and then taking the old faucet out. Again, if it's a similar faucet, it's going to take no time at all. If it's not a similar faucet, it may take you a little bit of time. This one did come with a plate, which you also saw in the box. That was not needed because I only have a single hole. This plate itself, and it has padding on the back, will help you cover up any additional holes if you have like a 3-hole sink. So you have your holes for your faucets, hot and cold, and then for the faucet itself. It's really a very nice faucet. A wonderful replacement for the one that we had, the Delta. And so I will actually link in the description this faucet, and I'll also put a link for other Crea products that are on Amazon. I think if this particular faucet is any indication of the quality of the products that they actually put out, I absolutely recommend them. If you do purchase anything, it will absolutely benefit not only this channel, but other avenues, other things that I'm doing on social media to actually just share and be a blessing to others. So hope that you enjoyed this. If you did,